Look how dirty this shit is. It's the afternoon. What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Jones and 8 back with another banger for y'all, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Jump over to Instagram and follow me on my main page, man. We got a bunch of bangers coming for y'all. Tune in. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jones and 8 back with another video, back with a banger for y'all boys, man. About to pull up to this daggone car wash right quick. Clean the 8. This ain't mad dirty. Probably not in the inside. Got my lights about twinkling in my head, feeling a little bit better. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, gang. Out of before and after right quick. Made it to the car wash, man. Look how dirty this shit is. But the bad part is, these motherfuckers don't take the card, so I gotta go get some change. See how dirty this bitch is, though. Straight 8. Let's go get this change right quick. Hurry up and come back before it start getting dark, man. Got the little change real quick. Should say $3 for like 5 minutes, $5 for 9 minutes. So I'm gonna put $7 in there and see what we can get out of that shit. Put 7. We got 12 minutes for it. Let's see. Oh, we got set up for real like that. That's crazy. Oh, let's see. Man, we gotta change it. High pressure rinse. There we go. There we go. Let's rinse this whole off right quick. Like spray down. I ain't came and got a wash like this since I had it. This is a bit dusty. Them bugs too far in the goddamn tank, man. Clean them all. Ready? All the way down. Hey, just trying to run over this junk real quick. Oh, we hit the soaking. That's got it put up there. Crazy that shit ain't coming off. Real good. Alright. Where we going to next, man? Let me go to what? I'll brush a soap. This soap? I only got one. I only got with this little soap, man. I ain't gotta put no more bird in that motherfucker. I feel like I'm gonna float as fuck. Yeah, we gotta make sure we get that brush right quick. Like 5 more minutes to it. Damn. Everybody wants to pull up. Your boy pull up. Keep looking fantastic. Now let's pull the brush out. They got 8 minutes. Foam brush. Gosh, man. Hope this motherfucker work. Sound like it hurt. About to set my goddamn. There we go. Shit cut off on me. Still got a little bit of soap on this motherfucker. I don't think it's soap though, it's wax. It's that last triple coat wax. That dumbass shit. We just gonna wipe it in though, cause they only give you fucking change for goddamn quarters. They only got a 10. I don't know why the fuck that shit don't never want to go away them damn bugs, man. Overall though, they be clean. That wax might need it to be rubbed in. Whole time. No, it don't. She look mighty clean. Minus the fucking. Ugh. That's what I'm talking about. Fuck. Now we got all this goddamn change. Gotta put $3 in there at least so I can spray this bitch right quick. Shit about to start, man. We just gonna have pressure wash this bitch. You know what I'm saying? Oh, this what y'all give me? This what y'all give me for spot 3? Not gonna waste my last little minute on this bullshit. Now we could do it like spot she clean as a bitch. Can't do nothing about them bugs. We're gonna get the ride by the kid. Let's come with the new bumper though. It ain't too fresh like that anyway. Hopefully y'all like the video and make sure y'all drop a comment. Y'all probably know how to use the new brush. I don't know. It's the after, man. Damn, my shit is super zoned. It's the after. Thought I zoned that shit out. She clean compared to what she was before. I mixed up the brush and shit. Hopefully I don't fuck that up. I think we fix that. We ain't even dry the windows off, gang. I barely can see the cars coming. I'm about to step up out there. Alright. We ain't even dry that hole off. Tires wet as hell. Almost slid coming up out that joke. But shit, y'all see how the traffic is. I'm gonna turn y'all back on once I get some space, gang. This little truck right here wanna play with me. I hope his ass get on the interstate so I can smoke his ass. I think he bored and he just wanna show. I see him looking in the rear view. That's a big truck, so don't come at me, but if y'all drive one of these cars, y'all know everybody try to race your ass. Better get us a couple little little pulls in. On the way to the crib, I need to clean these windows. Windows from the inside dirty as fuck. They don't look that bad, but they dirty as fuck, trust me. All these motherfuckers going slow today. That Jeep cutting up a little bit. It's an SRT Jeep. Nope, it's a regular goddamn Jeep. I think the 4x4s just move different anyway. Okay, look, EX35. Lucky the goddamn baby truck hole in front of me won't let me eat. Cutting out through it, man. It's like 80 ball. But yeah, this ain't what this video for. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, gang. We're gonna get POVs in the future, man. This one right here was just about washing the car. So yeah, tune in for more bangers. Gotta give y'all some pulls so I can put it in the beginning of the video. Yes, sir. But we out, gang. That's it, man.